Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. In a dramatic day at the Indian Parliament, the first session of the 18th Lok Sabha witnessed a fierce exchange of words, leading to significant disruptions and a walkout by the opposition. The uproar began during the Congress MP Rahul Gandhi's first speech in the Lok Sabha as the leader of opposition, where he accused the ruling BJP of not living up to the ideals of Hinduism and criticized the government on multiple fronts, including the contentious NEET exam and the new criminal laws. Rahul Gandhi also took a jab at PM Narendra Modi, stating that Paramatma speaks to Modi ji's Atma directly. Have a look.
The Prime Minister, of course, who has a direct connection with God, speaks directly to God. Yes, the Paramatma speaks to Modi ji's Atma directly. Unlike with all humans, we are all biological. We are born, we die, but the Prime Minister is a non-biological being.
विषय बहुत गंभीर है, पूरे हिंदू समाज को हिंसक कहना ये गंभीर विषय है।
बीजेपी को आपको नहीं, नरेंद्र मोदी जी पूरा हिंदू समाज नहीं है, बीजेपी पूरा हिंदू समाज नहीं है, आरएसएस पूरा हिंदू समाज नहीं है।
Rahul Gandhi, in his response to the motion of thanks to the president's address, launched a sharp attack on the BJP. He whipped out a poster of Lord Shiva before targeting so-called violent Hindus. Gandhi's remark prompted an immediate counter from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while Home Minister Amit Shah demanded an apology. He accused the ruling party of promoting violence and fear, stating that those who call themselves Hindu can talk about violence. This remark led to immediate uproar from the Treasury bench, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi intervening to say calling the entire Hindu society violent is a serious issue. However, Gandhi countered that the BJP and RSS are not entire Hindu society. Have a look.
So I'd like to start by showing an image of our refuge. Okay? सर शिव जी की फोटो नहीं दिखा सकते सर?
एक मिनट माननीय सदस्य।
सर शिव जी की फोटो मना है सर?
एक मिनट
सर मना है तो रख देता हूं सर।
नो एक मिनट प्लीज। आपने सवाल उठाया, आपके माननीय सदस्यगण 353 का नियम बता रहे थे, 352 का नियम बताया। नो प्लीज नो। आपने कहा इस नियम प्रक्रिया से सदन चलना चाहिए। नियम प्रक्रिया में कोई भी प्ले कार्ड, कोई भी चिन्ह को सदन में नहीं दिखाया जा सकता।
Home Minister Amit Shah demanded an apology from Gandhi, asserting that associating violence with any religion is inappropriate. Shah further reminded the Congress of emergency era, accusing of instilling fear and practicing ideological terrorism. Despite the chaos, Gandhi continued his speech, emphasizing that Hinduism, along with other religions, preaches courage and fearlessness. Have a look.
शिव जी कहते हैं डरो मत, डराओ मत, अभय मुद्रा दिखाते हैं, अहिंसा की बात करते हैं, त्रिशूल को जमीन में गाड़ देते हैं, और जो लोग अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हैं वो 24 घंटा हिंसा, नफरत, असत्य। आप हिंदू हो ही नहीं।
Rahul Gandhi also targeted the Speaker of the House, that is Om Birla. He recalled the Speaker election day and said, "You bowed to PM Modi when you shook his hands." Have a look at this video.
There is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the Speaker of the Indian Union, and there is Mr. Om Birla. When Modi ji went and shook your hand, and I went and shook your hand, I noticed something. When I shook your hand, you stood straight like this and shook my hand. And when Modi ji shook your hand, you bowed down and shook his hand.
Proceedings began begin with opposition members demanding a separate discussion on alleged NEET UG paper leak issue. NEET UG, conducted by the National Testing Agency on May 5, saw allegations of questions, paper leaks and irregularities posed on the announcement of results on June 4. Rahul Gandhi called for a one-day discussion on the issue, citing its impact on over 2 crore students. However, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and the Speaker Om Birla rejected the request, stating that such discussions should be followed with the motion of thanks. This led to a walkout by the opposition members, who later staged a protest in the parliament premises, alleging that misuse of probe agencies to target the opposition leaders. The Speaker of the House, Om Birla, addressed claims about switching off microphones. He said, "Some MPs outside the House allege that Speaker switches off the mic. The control of the mic is not in my hands if the person is sitting on the chair," Birla said. This comes after Rahul Gandhi had last week claimed his microphone was turned off while seeking discussion on NEET issue. In a significant development, 3 new criminal codes replaced by the British-era laws, including the Indian Penal Code, marking a complete overhaul of India's criminal justice system, in a move that has been mixed with reactions, with senior advocate and Rajya Sabha MP Mahesh Jethmalani criticizing the opposition's demand for re-examination of the new laws, asserting that the legislative process was duly followed. The uproar was not just limited to the Lok Sabha. The Rajya Sabha as well as saw a fierce debate where the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, attacked the government over the NEET row, exam paper leaks and various other issues, including the Agniveer scheme, which he described as unplanned and taklaki. Kharge demanded its rollback, accusing the scheme of shattering morale of the youth. Now, amidst this, reports suggest that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to address the National Democratic Alliance's parliamentary party meeting tomorrow, marking his first speech to the MPs of the ruling bloc in the new session of parliament. This comes amid the heightened tensions and ongoing debates over the various issues raised by the opposition, especially the NEET paper leak. Rahul Gandhi accused the BJP of systematic attacks on the constitution and the fundamental idea of India. He cited personal attacks and legal troubles he faced, claiming that they were orchestrated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Gandhi's remarks on the difference in the treatment by Speaker Om Birla and PM Modi added fuel to fiery session, with Birla asserting that bowing to elders is a part of Indian culture. During his speech, Rahul Gandhi attempted to display a picture of Lord Shiva, which was promptly interrupted by Speaker Om Birla, reminding him that displaying placards against the House rule. Gandhi reiterated his point on the importance of fearlessness in all religions, including Islam and Sikhism. The day also saw TMC MP Mahua Moitra recalling past instances where she was silenced in the House, emphasizing public's response to such actions against opposition MPs. Have a look.
Last time I stood here, I was not allowed to speak. I was not allowed to speak. But the ruling party has paid a very heavy price for throttling the voice of one MP. मुझे बैठाने का चक्कर में जनता ने आपके 63 सदस्यों 63 जन को परमानेंटली बैठा दिया. You have gone down from 303 to 240.
The upper house also saw moments of levity as Kharge and the Rajya Sabha chairman Jagdeep Dhankar traded banter. Kharge, citing knee pain, mentioned he could not stand for long. Dhankar promptly responded, "You may address the house while sitting." Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi's governance, pointing out various incidents like exam paper leaks, terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir, and infrastructure failures. Kharge's remarks on RSS and education system were expunged by House Chair Jagdeep Dhankar, who questioned the portrayal of RSS in a negative light. Kharge also hit out at PM Modi over his remarks during the election rallies against Congress over the redistribution of wealth, Mangal Sutra, reservation and Mujra among others. Have a look at this video.
में क्या बोले, अगर इनको अपने वोट बैंक के सामने मुजरा करना है तो ये करे.
This will not go on record. No, this will not go on record.
ये भाषा
This will not. This is derogatory. This is defamatory.
ये भाषा प्रधानमंत्री की है.
Of a mature leader.
प्रधानमंत्री की भाषा में बोल.
नहीं करते. This will not go on record. This will not go on record. Kharge ji.
Kharge further targeted PM Modi for not addressing the ongoing crisis in Manipur and accused him of dividing society through his election speeches. The debate included lighter moments with Kharge and Dhankar engaging in banter over Kharge's inability to stand and speak due to his knee pain. Today's session in the parliament was marked by intense debate, significant disruptions and strong allegations from both sides. As the 18th Lok Sabha progresses, the exchange between the ruling and the opposition are expected to remain heated. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.